Well, we're back. New tyre on the wheel, so we can get this wheelbarrow going, so we can move a bit of mulch. This is an old wheelbarrow, but you know what? I don't like replacing things if I have to. So new tyre it is. Bung it in, and job will be done. Not that way. That way. Done. New wheelbarrow wheel. Now we're going to get stuck into it. Drop some mulch over the hill again. Yeah, I'll fill it up. I'll show you where we're dropping it. This is going to be a little bit tricky, but we'll work around the plants and get it in there. Pitchfork's working well today. As you can see, we've got to get that mulch down around those lomandras, which is going to be fun. So let's give that a go. So that's the hill done today. I'm also going to do the top garden bed just to finish off that section. But this is what it looks like. I could probably still throw a lot more down there, but I'm just going to make sure that we cover everything first up top, and then if we need to, then if we have some spare, then I'll get further down with it. The pile's still pretty big. This mulch is pretty hot, freshly cut, so it's generating heaps of heat. And I don't want to actually burn my little fern here. God knows what it's called, but you know, I'm sure my wife could tell me. But I don't want to burn it, so I'm just going to keep it away from that. Yeah, but we're almost there. So that's it for another episode. I hope you're enjoying it, everybody. If you want to see more, obviously the best way to do that, see, even the kookaburras and cockatoos want to actually subscribe, so do that. Hit the thumbs up, notification bell, all that sort of stuff. We'll be doing this for a few more times, and then we'll have a nice big grand reveal once I finish everything. Anyway, yeah, that's it. No more. See ya. Subscribe.